Yeah, so Brad announced a 48-hour skit competition. So we're all gonna write and film our own skits in 48 hours. Oh, yeah, so Brad, technically he's the president of the club, but to be honest, I kind of run things around here.
I just try to give Katie things to do to keep her busy. I mean, who do you think found your documentary program? I didn't think you guys would actually show up, but figured the entry application would keep her busy for a while.
Are we rolling? Okay.
What's all this? Why is the Brady Bunch all together?
Do you ever pay attention to anything? There's a poster on the door. Would you read for once?
First off, I do read. Also, I don't like that attitude, okay? Oh. That's pretty cool. Yo, Steve, me and you, right? Writing partners.
Sorry, I got a thing.
What do you mean by that?
Wait, partners? What do you mean? This is solo.
Hey, how about you read for once? Look at this. You see that? Students will work with a partner.
Robin, we'll work together.
I'm gonna work with Diego.
No, I'm always working with Steve.
Dude, I have a thing.
Dude, what thing do you have that you can't write with me?
If he's gonna pee his pants over this, we'll write together, right?
What are you smirking at?
What are you smirking at?
Flip the paper over.
What kind of font is this? All partnerships are pre-assigned. Please refer to Joe. What does this mean?
Well, you mean listen told me not to open it until everyone was obsessed.
Job well done. What's the list?
Who are the teams?
I thought teams would be a great idea. I just didn't know they would react this way. It's not. What the hell? Oh. Hey! Stop! Stop!
He was just there.
I don't care. You two need to work together.
No, I won't work with Diego.
And I don't want to work with her either.
No one is changing partners.
Why not?
Plot purposes. And also, you two need to learn how to work together, okay? Me and Robin are going to work together fine, and so are Steve and Taha.
I actually think I'm gonna sit this one out. Sorry, guys.
What?
What? What do you have that's so important that you're gonna miss out on a 2-day writing competition?
Dude, I'm just so busy. I don't feel like it. Like, I'm sick. I don't know.
Oh, you're sick. No, you're this, you're that, you're this, you're that. I don't need you anyway. I'm off Farface. Let's get out of here.
I hate it when he calls me that.
Well, that gets them out of our hair for a while.
Hey, Diego, do you think this is... Where'd Diego go?
Oh my god, he just left with Katie.
Who? Well, if Diego's not here, I'll see you nerds later, alright?
Wait, where are you going?
Bye. You know what? And then there were 3.
Yeah, about that. So, technically this is my office, and
Right.
technically Robin is my partner, and I'm not allowed to leave, so, yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, sorry, dude.
Okay, well, I guess that means, I'm just gonna, just head out
Yeah.
by myself and
Yeah, cool.
You know, it's,
Smell you later.
I never liked him.
Show some respect. But anyway, we are totally gonna win this. And it's gonna be great.
Yeah, totally. So, what do you have in mind?
Have you ever heard of Cat Dog?
Oh, hey guys, what's up? Oh, do you mind telling me what Robin and Joe been working on? I'm curious about it. Oh, fine, whatever. Doesn't matter, because I know whatever I write, it's gonna be better than anything they do. You know what I mean?
We do.
We do. We do. Are you singing over there? I've been in here 10 minutes. Have you been doing the singing?
What? No, we do. Whatever we do is going to be better than Joe and Robin.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said.
What have we been working on? Well, Joe over here, he thought of this idea. It's called Cat Dog. Not like the TV show, but yeah, it's about buddy cop duo. And I was like, whoa, like, why didn't I think of anything so creative?
Yeah, and she actually I suggested some add-ons like the cat having a top hat and the dog having a monocle. And I'm like, yeah, they could work. It's been a interesting writing.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys, Joe might be the boss man around here, but that guy has ideas of a shellless snail. You know what that means? Because he thinks like a slug, and he's slimy.
I'm over here trying my best, and that kid keeps proposing these, how do I say, slug-like ideas. It's like she's purposely trying to ruin our chances. I don't know what to do.
Can he even win? He's the boss around here. Maybe that's why he's acting like he doesn't care. Just sitting around tossing ideas similar to his face. You know, ugly.
Robin Epstein, what a stupid name. What a stupid family, even. I bet her uncle isn't even.
His ideas are like 5'2". They suck, however they manage to be taller than him.
What? Her uncle actually is that guy? That explains so much. Okay, so what do you think about Cat Dog fighting a lizard turtle?
Yeah, that's, yeah.
Let's write this down. What are you doing here? I thought you just said you didn't want to be a part of any skit making.
Yeah, but boss man, I'm just here if you guys need a lead actor, So what do you guys have so far?
Well, Joe came up with this idea. It's called Cat Dog. It's a cop fighting duo, and they fight a lizard and a turtle. Yeah.
Yeah, and Robin added on that the cat would have a top hat and a British accent, and the dog would have a monocle and a bunny. Isn't it great?
I don't love it.
What are
It's
you
kind of
talking?
stupid.
What are you talking about? It's great.
It's perfect.
I'm not good at hunches, but one of y'all's lying.
So what do you think about this? The dog's just a cat. Cutter, I barely even know her.
This is the stupidest thing I've ever read.
You know what? I'm not surprised that you said that. You wouldn't know good writing if it slapped you in the face.
Writing is the main thing I do here.
Not good writing. Hey, whoa, calm down. All right, calm down. Sit down, Joseph Eyes. All right, we have to finish this so we can start filming. Okay, I don't know how they do it down south. Up here we have some decency. Okay, stupid?
Hey. What are you doing? I have to do a confessional right now. So Robin keeps on saying these awful ideas, and after what Steve said, I'm starting to think she's kind of been lying about how she feels about Cat Dog. And it's crazy, but I have a theory that she's trying to sabotage it so we can use another one of her ideas. I'm gonna get to the bottom of this. If it's the last thing I...
Hey! Dude, I just thought of the perfect idea. Come here.
I'm sure it'll be great.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Alright. So my idea is this. Cat and...
Cat Dog.
I'm sorry?
God.
Okay, so this is my idea. Cat Dog and Lizard Turtle end up having a polyamorous relationship, and at the end we explore the comedy in that.
Okay, I gotta ask. Is this a joke?
I mean, yeah, it's a comedy skit.
No. I mean, is that a real question? Is that a real suggestion? I feel like this whole time you've done nothing but offer really bad ideas, and after what Steven said, I'm starting to think you've been trying to ruin this whole sketch we're doing.
What? Okay, you look here. All I've been doing was trying to add glitter to this idea that you call Cat Dog. I mean, what kind of idea is that? We don't even have a cat or a dog costume.
First off, we were gonna use special effects to make it look that way. And second of all, you seriously don't like Cat Dog? Well, I'm hurt.
You came at me first.
No, you did.
How'd you hear about my confessional?
What did you say during your confessional?
Don't worry about it, okay? Let's both bite our tongues and finish out this stupid cat dog idea.
Fine, but only if you say it was a good idea.
Fine. This awful idea of cat dog was a good idea.
I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I can't stand Diego. His ideas are the worst. He doesn't listen to my ideas. His breath smells. And he keeps bragging about his shoulders, but today, they don't even look that good. And I'm just so sick and tired of all of it and all of this. And he keeps calling me names.
Hey, crow's feet. Doors went over this whole time. I heard everything you said. You know, why yada yada.
Why I gotta what? You think you're gonna beat me up with those Play-Doh arms? How are you so skinny with no definition?
You know what? I'm sick of this. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of you, all right? Here's an idea. How about we both write something and film something individually, huh? And then we'll just merge together, huh? We'll just throw it together, huh? How does that sound?
Fine by me?
Guess you idiots didn't need my help.
Shut up!
Oh,
Just take a seat. We're trying to wait for Brad right now.
jeez, what's with the attitudes, nerds?
You know what it is? Some people don't recognize genius.
Some people don't recognize their own idiocy.
And some people don't know how to take criticism.
And some people should be ashamed of their family history.
So, before I tell you all the winner, I'm wondering why you guys turned in two skits that were pretty much the exact same thing.
What?
Huh?
Yeah, Robin and Joe, your skit was pretty much the same thing as Katie and Diego.
How's that even possible? How did they come up with a skit remotely similar to a detective duo of a cat with a bum knee and a monocle and a dog with a top hat. Doesn't even make any sense, man.
Well, let's see here. A dog and cat cop duo, cat with a top hat, and dog with bum knee and monocle.
How in the what is
How'd you guys
you
even
stole
read
our
that?
idea?
You don't even know how to say it.
Alright.
Why would a dog even have a bum?
Alright, hey! Do you guys want to hear who won?
Not particularly.
Sure. Whatever. It was Taha.
What?
Well, yeah.
I am not ashamed of my family history.
Shut up! Says it right there. Yes, so, congrats!
Oh, thank you so much, man. The opportunity, it just means the absolute world to me.
Yeah, I'd love to chat, but, I got something in 5, so I gotta,
Oh,
see ya.
yeah, okay, all right, later.
Oh my gosh. I have to call somebody. Finally. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that I won the contest. I'm so happy. I mean, it was just a story about a kid trying to make some real friends on his own, and I worked really hard on it, and I'm really proud of it. And I'm not even mad that there's not even a real prize for this contest, really. I'm just glad that I'm finally getting the recognition that I deserve from the people around me, you know?
As soon as I saw the others, I knew I couldn't choose them. The actual prize was a trip to Dave & Buster's with me. But Taha won, and I didn't. You know. One sec, hold on. Phone call. It's my mom! Gotta tell her about this. Hey, Mom! Yeah, hold on real quick, though. I just won this crazy contest for my story. What? How? Well, the neighbor didn't see him crossing the street. All right, Mom. I'll call you back. All right. My dog just got ran over.
Our idea is totally better than theirs, right?
No, totally. I mean, they had a cat in the hat. Yeah, how original. Mine was way better.
Ours. But
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Better than Taha's.
had to be.